guys, we're at my uncle's farm here. Got the Massey 2705. I actually showed this in the video. He said it's either 135 horsepower or 125. Yeah. It's on the mower right now. Massey Ferguson mower, 1372. Nice hay line. Yeah. Really nice hay barn. And tractor. There's the front of it. We got a Kubota. No, not sure what the numbers are on this. I think it's 100 horsepower. Bucket on it. But yeah, it's a nice tractor. Then we got the Harrow. Harrow finishes the seed bed for planting. It is big Harrow. Brilliant. Triple. Yeah, it's triple. Triple unfold there. Very nice. Then they got a sprayer down there. Nice sprayer. Spray the fields and stuff. Alright. Here's the big boy. Case 2670. I don't know how much horsepower. I think almost 200, maybe? I don't know, but it's big. Big tractor. Door. Put the gas in here. Big tires. Almost as big as me.